In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vertical scrollable list in Figma. Whether you're designing an app or just want to enhance the interaction on your design projects, creating a vertical scrollable list can add considerable value. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through each step so that even beginners can follow along with ease. First, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of us find indispensable. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do that now. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the Figma homepage. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your home screen where all your projects and files reside. Next, navigate to the design section. Here you can either open an existing project or start a new one. The choice is yours, but make sure you have your design elements ready that you want to include in your scrollable list. Once your project is open and you have your canvas in front of you, locate the specific element or group of elements you'd like to be scrollable. To start setting up your scrollable list, click on the element you want to include. You'll need to convert this into a Figma component. Right-click on the selected element, then select Create Component from the drop-down menu. By creating a component, you ensure that your design is reusable and can be adjusted effortlessly in the future. Now it's time to move into prototype mode, which we can find as a tab on the right hand panel. This is where the magic of interactivity happens. With your component selected, look for the prototype settings at the top panel. You'll come across a setting titled Overflow Behavior. This is crucial as it determines how content behaves when there's more of it than you can see at once. Under Overflow Behavior, you'll find a few options. To create a vertical scroll, obviously select Overflow. Within this setting, we specifically want to choose vertical. This option allows our content to scroll vertically, making it ideal for lists or any extended content layout. Once you've made this adjustment, you can preview your design to ensure it's working as intended. Simply click on the play button in the top right corner to run a preview of your prototype. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional vertical scrollable list. This feature not only makes your design look polished, but also improves user interaction by allowing them to browse through a list comfortably. Feel free to tweak colors, spacing, and typography to match your aesthetic needs, and remember that practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching this quick Figma tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!